So space buns. I keep getting asked how I do my space buns. This is what I call my space bun kit. I keep this in my bag because it's literally space buns on the go, and it's a tiny little thing where I have a bunch of bobby pins and some. Normally you want a hair tie that is the same size, but I lost the other one like this, so these are relatively the same size. And be to part your hair down the middle. I'm just gonna brush my hair. It's make sure that it's as smooth as possible. My hair, normally I do this when my hair is like greasier, but this is fine. So step 2 is going to be to get all that hair on the one side. We can start with the right side, or in your case the left side, and just try and put it into a ponytail. I just brush bottom up to get it like higher up on the head, and then when I think it's in a spot where I'm like okay with it, I'm at a professional event, so I'm gonna try and do it more like to the side and a perfect circle-ish. And I normally feel like this looks good when I'm dressed in more professional clothing, and today is like the pre-day for the event. I do both up, and then I start, because I don't want to have this up and then make this a ball, because then it's harder to get this side exactly where this is and looking the same. You can also give it like a, there we go, okay. So I think this looks pretty even-ish, maybe. Okay. That looks pretty even. You'll notice that I have more hair on this side of my head. Should be pretty down the middle. So what I do is I basically twirl it in my finger, and then you wrap around the bottom. And then I'm gonna get a little pick, and then I put it like in my finger, kind of like that, if that makes sense. Using them, so I'm redoing this because I didn't like how it looked, basically, and that's basically just this process, is that if I don't like how it looks, I will just redo it. And so basically I fold it, and I make a ball, and I keep folding the hair like over until it starts making that cone, as you can see. A nice balance in the middle, which I think it's doing, perhaps. And you can always pull more hair from right here. Like it'll, like I have really thin hair and I'm still able to do that. And see, now it's creating this second bubble, which is going in front of, sorry, it's going in front of the other pick. So it just looks like better. I think the shaping looks better. I try for the bobby pin